Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's good to have you back here. Well, as you can see by the title and by how I'm looking today is a dramatic look, and today I'm not going to be doing any voiceovers or get ready with me. It's just going to be totally me and you and the music and enjoying yourself. But before I get into the video, I want to talk about the two products that I'm using in my video today, which is the neon powder palette I got from Exquisite Beauty Hub, and this video is also sponsored by Aralashes in the lash type bell that I am wearing now, and I'm sure you guys can see that it looks good. So before I even continue into the video, I have a discount code for you guys, but then before I give out the discount code, you have to be following me on my Instagram and you have to be following Aralashes on their Instagram before you'll be able to get the discount code. So if you follow them on their Instagram and me on my Instagram, as well as watch this particular video, and you send me a screenshot in my Instagram DM, I'm just going to forward the discount code to you guys. This is premium luxury lash, so if you get a discount code, you should be running for it. So if you really want to partake in this, make sure that you have done all the deeds, then you can win a discount code for these beautiful lashes. So I'm just going to get into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm going to drop the link down for the neon powder palette from Exquisite Beauty Hub. I'll drop her Instagram link. Unfortunately, there's no discount for that, so, and it's quite affordable, so you guys can easily afford it, right? So I'll get into it, and please make sure that you like my video at the end of the video. So like, share and subscribe and click the notification bell if you haven't. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. This is my first sponsorship with lashes, so I'm really pretty much excited about this video, and I had a lot of fun. And before I sign off, this makeup look was inspired by NYMA Tang on YouTube. She actually did a less should I say a subtle look of this, but then I decided to go extra with it. So if you guys can get NYMA Tang to watch it, I'll be so glad. So tag her, share it to her or something. So anyway, have fun guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.